Okay, let's start a lesson today. Today we'll go to the lesson 4. We are going to find the trigonometric ratios of any angles. Okay, so there is few methods to show you. Okay, the first method is using the calculator, which I already mentioned for the last lesson. Then the second method is by using a unit circle. This one I will skip first because I need to teach you the method 3 first. Okay, later I will go back to the method 2. So we go to the method 3 first. Okay, now let's see. This is the method we use to find the trigonometric ratio. So still remember what is reference angle? Before you know the reference angle, this one we call the reference angle because we need to know the angle in 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Then this is the example of positive angles. Okay, look at the slide. This is the example for positive angles. Okay, the positive one, quadrant 1, so it go to this part. So this one is acute angle, right? Okay, you see what is the difference between the quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4? It's about the acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angles, right? For quadrant 1 is the angle, the blue color one, the angle, or you see this line from here, you know, for the quadrant 1, this is acute angle. Then second quadrant, then you from the 0 to this side, then this is a what angle is it? Obtuse angle. Then this third and fourth quadrant, this is reflex angle. So, but for our trigonometry, we need to change this obtuse and reflex angle. We have to change into the acute angle. Why we need this formula? Because we need to change it back to the acute angle, or we call the basic angle. Okay, so this one we call the red color one. The red color one, we call it as the reference angle. Reference angle, we refer it. This one, reference angle. Actually, you don't need to remember so complicated lah. You just remember this one is the acute angle. You nak tukar dia yang asalkan sudut itu bukan acute angle, you kena tukar dia jadi acute angle. Acute angle maksudnya less than 90 degree. Remember your angle must be less than 90 degree. So how we going to change it? So for the quadrant 1, no need to change. If the angle located at the quadrant 1, then you no need to change it because the reference angle and the basic angle are the same. Okay, the angle are the same. The first quadrant. Then the second quadrant. So how you get this red color one? How you change it? Because we don't want the obtuse angle. We want the acute angle. So the acute angle, this one, the acute angle is, so this is a straight line. So 180 minus the angle. 180 minus the angle. See? Reference angle is 180 minus the given angle. Then another one, this one, okay, this one we want the acute one, we want the red color one. So is the total angle, for example, 210 degree, then minus 180 for example. This one. Then the last one, total whole circle is 360. 360 minus the rest, so you get the acute angle. So our purpose here is to get the ratio for the reference angle. The reference angle must be in. The reference angle must be in what? Reference angle is must be in acute angle. Okay, remember acute angle, it means that less than 90 degree or in pi radian. How many pi radian? 90 degree is how many pi radian? 1/2 pi radian. Okay. So this is the formula that you will see the reference angle. This one 180. Same with the one I showed you just now. But I think no need to remember this one. Normally I don't remember this one. What I remember is I remember the location for the acute angle. What you need to do is remember the location for the acute angle on the Cartesian plane. Then you will know when you're going to minus the angle or you plus the angle. Which are you going to do? So let's see. This is the types of angle. The straight angle, so exactly 180. Then acute angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is in between 90 to 180. Then reflex angle greater than 180. Greater than quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 all are reflex angle because they are greater than 180 but less than 360. And this is full angle, right angle. This is the name of the types of angles. Okay, so now I'd like you to practice. So from here, let's say the reference angle equal to theta prime. Okay, so let's say you see the quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. Then this is quadrant 4. Okay, for the quadrant 1, the angle here, this one is acute, right? So acute angle, so you no need to change. Same. Okay, the reference angle are the same. Then the second one, this is what? This is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, no, cannot. We have to change. We want this one. So we want this one. This is 180 minus this one. Okay, minus this one. The reference angle. Then how about this one? This one is a reflex angle. Third quadrant and fourth quadrant are all the reflex angle. So for the reflex angle is, we want this one. We want the acute one. You remember we want the acute one. Acute one, so this one is, so total, the here to here is the angle minus 180. Because we want the smaller one. So the bigger minus the 180. The bigger value minus 180. So let's say this is 130 degree. So this is 130. Of course, bigger value minus the smaller value. 180 minus 130. Then let's say this is 2110. Okay, 2110. Then of course, the bigger value minus smaller value. 2110 minus 180. Like this. Then the last one. This is reflex angle. We also want the smaller one. Always remember we want the reflex angle. We want the acute angle. We want the smaller value. So let's say here is 330. So this smaller value is 360 minus 330. Okay, or 360 minus the angle. Okay. So how are we going to determine the sign of the trigonometry ratio? So we can put it into about T form. Put a triangle. You see, actually this is like about T. The first angle is a triangle, right angle triangle. Second, right triangle, right triangle, right triangle. So the four right angle triangle will form a about T like this. See, I show to you. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So we show about T like this. Okay, so this is the 4 quadrant, and this is the 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. This is the 4 angle. Then we want to find out. This 4 angle you can draw in a T form so that you know this is the 4 angle, 4 acute angle that we want to find out. Okay, then the symbol positive negative you can look at here. You see at the center is 0. The x-axis right hand side the 0 positive. Radius r. Then left-hand side is negative. Then y-axis above the 0 is positive. Below the 0 is negative. So how are we going to see this? Okay, so how are we going to refer this? Later I will show you also. Then we can say that this is the coordinate. We can, let's say the coordinate here, this is x. This is x. Then another one is y. This is s, this is y. Then what is the value? We can refer here. So first quadrant, the value for s, y are all positive. Positive. Because let's say this is 1, 1. Then because it's right of the x-axis, so it's positive. Then y-axis also above the y-axis, so it's positive. So first quadrant is positive, positive. Then for second quadrant, you see this one at the left. This one at the left, left of the 0, right? So this one x-axis is negative. X-axis is negative. Then y still above, so it's y positive. Then how about the third quadrant? How about the third quadrant? For third quadrant, how? Third quadrant, you draw like this, you draw like this. So this is y. This is value. What is the value? Negative y. Then the value here, negative x. So this coordinate is negative x, negative y. So both values are negative, negative. Then how about another side? How about this one? This one is x positive and y negative. Okay. This one, how we're going to determine the positive, negative. Then this is the symbol. But then from this symbol, then we can generate the symbol like this. Positive, positive. Positive is the x coordinate. You see this? This is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. Horizontal line is x coordinate. Then the vertical line is y coordinate. Negative, positive. Negative, negative. Then positive, negative. But if you cannot remember, never mind. Later I will show you the easier way to remember it. Okay. Then another one. So from here, you still remember this or not? ASTC, all student take calculus. Okay, all student take calculus. All mean all, semua orang. Student, semua pelajar. All it means that's all the trigonometry ratios, sin, cos, tangent. And we add up the cosec, sec, and cotangent. Actually, you don't need to remember the cosec, sec, and cotangent. You don't need to remember this one because the cosec, sec, and cotangent they follow the reciprocal one. Still remember the reciprocal. Sin reciprocal with cosec, cos reciprocal with secant, tangent reciprocal with cotangent. So if sin positive, then cosec must be positive. Cos positive, then another one, the reciprocal one also positive. So what you need to remember is sin cos tangent. Sin cos tangent you can remember by using the all student take calculus. All means semua, sin cos, not sin, sin cos tangent. Sin cos tangent, all positive for the first quadrant. For example, later I show you the example. Then the second one, then this one, all 6x, s means sine positive. Then t tangent positive. Then it means that sine and cos here are negative. Okay, then the last one is cos positive. Cos positive means that the sine and the tangent here are negative. So if you can remember, you remember all student take calculus. Okay, the quadrant at which value they will be positive or negative. Okay, later I will, now we come to the most important part of the lesson today. That is we need to learn how to practice to find the ratios of any angle. Teori ini cakap banyak-banyak tak ada guna. Sekarang mari kita practice. Must pay full extension starting from now. So, okay, so you see, the first, this is the trigonometric function. So I want positive angle. How are we going to draw the positive angle? Where are we going to start? our drawing. This is the x-axis, this is y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so we label. We want to draw from the positive angle, then this one we want to draw the negative angle. For positive angle, we start from above the x-axis. Okay, this one is the positive angle. So this is anti-clockwise. Okay, so from here. So this is 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, then come back to 360. So how if change into the radian form? Radian still 0, but here it will change to 2 pi radian kan? 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian, so half is pi radian. And then the above is half of the pi. Okay, pi over 2 radian. Then another one, this one is 3 over 4 radian. Sorry. Not 3. 3 over 2 radian, 1.5. Okay, this is 1. This is 2. In between is 1.5. 1.5 is 3 over 2 pi radian. Okay, this one we call the positive angle. Then, if negative angle, the ballet. Now is clockwise. Okay, so the labeling for the negative angle are also different. 0, 0, then starting from the fourth quadrant. It's starting from fourth quadrant, not starting from the first quadrant. Quadrants, still remember, quadrant not changes. Only the angle change. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So 0 degree, then go to here. Go to here is negative 90 degree, negative 180 degree, and negative 270 degree, or negative 360 degree. Change to pi also same. 0, okay, 0 or negative 2 pi radian. This is negative pi radian. We change positive and negative angle. Okay. So now we go to another part. So now, let's say we put it in a unit circle. Unit circle means I put a value here. The radius, let's say the radius for the circle is 1 unit. 1 unit. Positive 1. So here will be negative 1, negative 1. Okay. So let's say anywhere at the first quadrant, I make a triangle or the bounty. Okay, this is 90 degree. So I don't know what is the value for this one. So let's say here to here is x, here to here is y. Okay, so the coordinate here is x, y. Okay, coordinate here is x, y. Okay. Okay, after this, I want you to use the concept of the Socator. Okay, I draw bigger. Here is hypotenuse. Or we say that this is H. Then the angle, this is the angle we want to find out. The angle here, theta. So this is the angle theta we want to find out. So you put your finger here. So which one is the adjacent? This is the adjacent. A. So another one is opposite. Opposite O. Okay, HAO. So from here, I would like you to tell me what is the value for sin cos tangent. Sin theta, cos theta, sine cos tangent, sine cos tangent, sine theta. What is the value for sine theta? Sine theta, Socator. So all over H. All over H. So we put the value here. This is X. This is y. Then what is the value for the hypotenuse? Can anyone tell me what is the value for the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse here is, yes, 1 because of the radius. This is a unit circle. So this is a circle. So the radius is equal to 1. So hypotenuse is 1. All over H. All over H is y over 1. So it's y lah. Y over 1. Y over 1. Y over 1. So it's y lah. Okay, so another one, cos theta. Cos theta, cos theta is AH, or A over H. A is X. H is 1, so it's X. Then what is the tangent? Tangent theta? Tangent theta is SOHCAHTOA, all over A. All over A, Y over X. Okay, Y over X. So from here, so it's bring you some very important information is, from here you can see sin theta equal to Y and cos theta equal to X. So from here, you can say for this coordinate, you remember for this coordinate in the unit circle, we can apply that X actually is cos theta and your Y is sin theta. This one very important. Okay, cos for X, this is cos theta, and Y, this is sin theta. It can be applied for your trigonometry functions question letter. Okay? You know, everyone understand? Cos X, sin cos theta, sin theta. Remember this one. It's very important for XY. Okay? You remember this one? S ialah cos, Y ialah sin. Okay? Yang lay down one is cos. Then stand up one is sin. Cos theta, sin theta is very useful. Okay, then another one. So from here, what is your tangent? For the first quadrant, what is your tangent? Tangent is sin theta cos theta lah. Sin theta over cos theta. So positive, positive. So your tangent here also positive. So from here, we know that why the first quadrant, all the value will be positive because cos, sin, tangent all positive. Why positive? Because of the x and y axis here, both positive. Okay, both positive. Okay, huh? So now we can come to here. Okay, so now this one I teach you already. This one, so I pre-screen this one, sorry. So this is the information we get. Okay, now we go to the second slide. So from here, so we get this one already. So now we get this information. Okay, now let's say, so we can test. Let's say now, I give you a circle here, a value here. We just test. Here is 30 degrees. So what can you say about the coordinate here? What is the coordinate here? This is cos 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees. Okay, you can straightforward write down. Cos 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees. So one more example. So let's say this is 80 degrees. So you know the coordinate here is cos 80 degrees, sin 80 degrees. Okay. Then how about the 90 degrees? Let's say this coordinate. Can you tell me what is the coordinate here? Cos 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees. So when you use calculator to place, then you get the value. Cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. So it's correct. Correct. We fulfill the theory is 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. So let's try this coordinate. This is -1. Let's see your cos. So now you go to this side. So this side, your value is cos 180. Here to here is 180, right? Cos 180, sin 180. So press your calculator, you get the coordinate -1, 0. Yes, correct. So this here is -1. So here, try again. Cos 270, sin 270. Press calculator, then you get 0 minus 1. So minus 1, correct. So let's see whether the value here is 1, 1 or not. So try, cos here is cos 0, sine 0. Cos 0, sine 0, the value you get is, oh sorry, not 1, 1, it's 1, 0, xy, 1, 0. So from here, we can have the conclusion here. The coordinate is cos theta, sin theta. Okay? So now, this is the things you need to remember. So now we make it into a Obtuse, then we make it into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So this point is, what is the value here? Cos theta, sin theta. This is your theta. Okay, cos theta, sin theta. So tangent also equal to sin over cos. So all positive, all positive. Then how about this one? The second one, this value, what is the coordinate here? The coordinate here, cos theta. So the cos here is positive or negative? You see, it's a left-hand side. Oh, left-hand side is negative. Cos is x, coordinate x is negative. So it's negative cos theta. Straightforward, change to negative cos theta. Then here, y-axis here positive, right? Positive sin theta. Then how about the tangent? The tangent is, the tangent theta is negative. So it will be, because sin cos, so it's follow sin theta over, so negative sin theta cos theta. So the tangent is negative, then only the sin is positive. So that's why we will get all, this one all positive, then this one only sin positive, then this one tangent positive, this one cos positive. Why? Because all we're using the concept here, cos and sine here. Semua daripada this concept we can explain all. And now we try again at this point. It's very useful for you to remember cos theta and sine theta. So from here, okay, this point, we look at the x first. So x is cos theta. You put cos theta first, then you look at x. X is at the left-hand side of the 0, so it's negative. Then you look at sin theta. Sin theta, bawah, so below the y-axis, so it's negative. Both negatives, cos, sin, negative. Okay, cos and sin both negative. Then how about the tangent? Tangent is negative, sin over cos, then it will become positive. Positive. So that's why the tangent is positive. Then we'll go to the last one. We go to the last one. We look at this point. Then the coordinate here is left-hand side, x. We look at the x coordinate. X coordinate positive. So it's cos theta. Then we look at y coordinate. Y coordinate is negative. Negative sin theta. Negative sin theta. So again, the tangent is negative. Negative sin over cos. So from here, you know, cos is positive. You see here, this one all, semua positive. Here only sin positive. Here only tangent positive. And here only cos positive. So why we get the formula? All students take calculus. This one for you to remember. But the concept, why like this? You may ask why like this. It's because of this. We bring out the concept from here. Okay. So let us practice. Okay, we practice. Let's say now I give you we try the first quadrant. We try the first quadrant. Then not first quadrant. I try with the acute angle. Okay. Now I try question with the acute angle. Okay, we use the acute angle for the at first positive angle. Let's say this is, I give you an angle 60 degree. Okay, acute angle. So what is the value for sin cos tangent? So it's sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tangent sine, cos, tangent, sine 60, cos 60, and tangent 60. Okay, this one no problem, right? This one is for the positive one, positive angle. Okay, acute positive angle. So now we go to the acute negative angle. Negative 60. Okay, what is the negative 60? Negative 60. This one go up, negative go down. Okay, go down. Here is sin what? The value sin negative 60 is equal to what? So we look at this point. We look at this point. Okay, you tell me sin is y or x coordinate. Sin is y or x coordinate. Sin we need to look at y or x coordinate. Any response? You need to respond me faster. Sin is equal, we need to refer to the y coordinate or x coordinate. You see here? You see the picture here? Cos sin, right? So sin negative 60 at the quadrant 4. So sin we refer to x coordinate or y coordinate. Sin we refer to x coordinate or y coordinate. Why no respond?
Y.
Y, right?
Y.
Oh my, sorry. Why? Sorry, I didn't see the message. Sorry, technical problem. So we go back to lesson 9. It's y. So look at y coordinate. So the y coordinate here is negative. No? Negative, so straightforward, you change. Negative sin 60 degree. Okay, the angle, acute angle, acute angle, no change. So we change the symbol positive, negative. Because it's go down, then we look at the y. Y is positive. Y is negative here. 0 is here. Y is negative, so it's negative sin theta. Negative sine 60. Then how about the cos 60? Cos negative 60. Now it's negative. Cos negative 60. The angle move negative 60 here. Okay, so cos we look at the x coordinate. So x coordinate here is positive or negative. X coordinate here is positive. So it's cos 60 degree. That's it. Okay, then how about tangent? Tangent, negative 60 degree. Negative 60. So you can sin cos saya tengok ini satu negatif, satu positif, one negative, one positive. So answer is negative tangent 60 degree. That's it. Can? Okay, then practice more. So now, let's say now it's no more acute angle. Now it's obtuse. Obtuse angle. So we will have obtuse positive or we have another one obtuse negative. So obtuse positive, let's say, go to this value. Go to here. Obtuse. Obtuse. So here is, let's say, I give you angle 120 degree. 120 degree. Okay. So reference angle. Tell me what is the value for the reference angle first. So the reference angle is 60 degree. Okay, we mark first. Reference angle is 60 degree. So sin 120 equal to what? Sin 180. So we have to change into this one first, or change into this one first. So it's sin 180 minus 60. So equal to sin 180 minus 60 minus 120. Sorry. 180 minus 120. So you get sin 60 degree. But is this sin equal to positive or negative? Now you have to see. Yeah, sin is y. Sin is y. So it's above positive. Yes, positive. So it's positive sin 60. So now we sine 60, sorry. How about cos 120? Cos 120. So we do the same. 180 minus 120. Cos 60. Cos 60 is positive or negative? This one you have to check. See, cos is left, so it's negative 60. Negative cos 60. Okay, then tangent 120. Then you change again. Also tangent 180 minus 120, so you get tangent 60. Tangent is positive or negative? One positive, one negative, so tangent is negative. Negative tangent 60 degree. Okay, then how about the obtuse negative angle? Obtuse negative, it means that it from the bottom. So let's say here to here. Here to here is 120. So you know your reference angle also. You know your reference also. 60 degree. Okay. Okay. So again, sin 120, sine 120, cos 120, symbol wrong. This is not 120. Just now I show you what. I didn't stack here. Here we must label negative 60 degree. Okay, negative means it's negative angles. So your angle here, you must label negative 120 degree. And label 120 degree. So it's sin negative 120 degree, cos negative 120 degree, and tangent negative 120 degree. Negative, negative, negative. So, and the same, then here will be sin. You see how we get another one is 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. Tangent 180 minus 120. So you will get, we just write the value first. Sin 60, sine 60, cos 60, and tan 60. Then after you write all, then we just determine the positive or negative. Okay, sin y, sin y. The y here is negative, so it's negative sin 60. Then how about cos? Cos here also negative, so it's negative cos 60. Then tangent, sin negative, negative will become positive tangent 60. Okay? Okay, So now, we try the reflex angle. Okay? We try the reflex angle. Now reflex angle. Reflex angle can be in third quadrant and fourth quadrant, for the positive value. So let's say here to here. Now, here to here now, let's say I put positive value, 210 degree, 210 degree, 210 degree, So what is your value? Value you want to find out here. This one, the reflex one. So this one reflex one is 110 minus 180. So you'll get 30 degree, is it? 30, Where got 60? 210 minus 180, so it's 30. So the basic angle is 30 degree. Okay, so your basic angle is 30 degree, So you see this is what we want. So again, we want to find the value for sine, cos, and tangent. Sine, cos, tangent. 110, 110, 110. So we have to change. Change, it will become sine. Just now, 210 minus 180. Cos, 210 minus 180. Then tangent, 210 minus 180. So you get sin 30, cos 30, tangent 30. After this, we look at the positive or negative. So sin is y-axis, y coordinate. Sin is y coordinate. So here, go to the third quadrant is negative. Cos also negative. Then tangent, sin, cos, positive. Okay, it will become negative, negative, then positive. So from here, it's very easy for you to remember. So now we go to the negative. Let's try negative. Negative 110. Okay, negative 110 will go to here. Okay, negative 210. Negative 210. Okay, negative 210. So of course, here same. So we want to find this reference angle, or we say the basic angle. So basic angle here, you know, here is 30. Same with above. Same with above. 210 minus 180. 210 minus 180. So you get 30 degree. So now we practice. We practice sine, cos, tangent. Sine, negative 210, negative 210, negative 210. Okay, so this thing, negative, positive, you don't need to change negative, negative, negative. You just make it in the which quadrant. Asalkan you tahu dia mana satu. If you don't want to write this one, but you know, you draw the diagram, you straightforward, you know, this is 30 degree, the reference one. Straightforward, you write 30 degree, no wrong. Not necessarily need to write this bracket. You don't write this bracket, doesn't matter. The important is the value here must be correct, and the positive negative symbol must be correct. So now positive negative, you see sine 30, sine 30, y coordinate. Here y coordinate, y positive. So sine positive, then cos here because at left hand side, cos negative, then tangent either one negative, so tangent is negative. Okay. Very clear, right? So one more. So now one more, the last one. And this one also the reflex angle. But this one is more than 270 degrees. It's located in the fourth quadrant or the first quadrant for the negative. So at first we look at the positive value. Let's say now I give you one angle is 330 degrees. Okay, positive 330 degrees. So we are going to find the value for sine 330, cos 330, and tangent 330 degree. Okay, equal to what? So we find out the reference angle first or the basic angle first. Then of course this one. This one is what? It's a small one. The whole circle 360 minus 330. So it's 30 degree. 30 degree. Here is 30 degree. Okay, so it's sine 360 minus 330, cos 360 minus 330, tangent 360 minus 330. So we write down first. Sin 30, sine 30, cos 30, tangent 30. Okay, so after this, the same thing. You look at here. You look at here. Sin is y coordinate. Y negative. Here, cos here is positive or negative. Cos here is x coordinate. X coordinate here. So it's at the right hand side of your x-axis. So it's positive. Negative, positive. So tangent is negative. Okay, then last one. Negative value. Okay, now negative from here to here. Negative 330 degree. So again, what is the value for the reference angle? Reference angle here is 30 degree 30 degree, So sine, cos, tangent. Negative 330, negative 330. Okay, change. 360 minus 330, 30, 30, 30. Okay. Then you find out the sine, the basic angle first, then you acute. You need to change the angle into the acute angle first. Then you only find the positive or negative. Okay, so now you look at here, sine y is positive, cos also positive, positive, tangent also positive. That's it. Okay, jangan. No need to remember mati-mati lah. All students take calculus. Actually, no need. If you know how to apply this one, they will be very, very useful for you to solve the trigonometric function. Just remember x, y. X is cos theta. Sine is y theta. S is cos theta, and y coordinate is sine theta. Which one, Felicia? No, cos is not above. You see this? You see this right hand side. Atas tu? atas tu yes 0 cos is x coordinate ma. X coordinate, here is x coordinate. 0 x coordinate, this is positive ma. Nilai sini, this value. X coordinate, y coordinate. Remember? X coordinate, y coordinate. Cos theta, sin theta. Remember this one. Okay, then for the symbol for positive, negative, you look at the Cartesian. This here, positive. Here, negative. It means that cos, positive. Cos, negative. Then up and down, positive, negative. Up means sin, positive. Down means sin, negative. Okay? Can? So now try example 1. Okay, given that the tangent theta equal to 15 over 8, find the cotangent for theta. The question is different with the last lesson. The last lesson give you the question in the decimal. That is another thing. But now it give you in the fraction. You watch out the question. If the question give you the sine cos tangent in the value of fraction, then you need to watch out. You need to solve the question by using the right angle triangle. You need to draw right angle triangle. Okay, draw a right angle triangle. Then you need to put in the SOHCAHTOA. You remember SOHCAHTOA means that you need to put the value for hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite side. HAO. So your tangent theta, tangent SOHCAHTOA. So your tangent is all over A lah. So 15 over 8. Okay, so from here, this is your hypotenuse, this is your A, then another one is your O. So tangent is 15 over 8. 15 over 8. So it means that your opposite, this one is 15. Opposite here to here is 15. Then another one, then your adjacent is 8. Then what is your H? What is your value for H? 15 square plus 8 square. So equal to 17 lah. So this value is 17. So if I draw nicer for you, so this one is 15, this one is 8, this one is 17. So H, A, O. This is your angle. So from here, so you have the value for tangent equal to 15 over 8. Then you have to find out the value for cos and value for sine. So what is the value for cos? So SOHCAHTOA, A over H. A is 8 over 17. Then sine is OH, opposite, 15 over 17. So get this sine cos tangent first. From here, you need to draw out the triangle. Then we just start to solve the question. Cotangent. Cotangent theta, cotangent equal to 1 over tangent, reciprocal, 1 over tangent. So 1 over tangent is the ballet one, 8 over 15. Okay, then B, cosec. Cosec is 1 over sine theta. Sine theta 15 over 17. So the ballet 17 over 15. And C, secant. Secant is 1 over cos theta. Cos the ballet 17 over 8. That's it. Okay, like it in the fraction form. This is the example 1. So now we go to example 2. Okay, so see, it gives you the value in fraction form again. In fraction form, then it gives you the value in negative. Cos theta equal to negative 12 over 13, and give you the theta is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So you need to draw. Obtuse means first quadrant or second quadrant. Second quadrant. So it will go here lah. But we don't. Of course, our triangle is we using the acute angles, right? So we use this angle. What is this angle? This is what we want to find out. This is what we want to find out. So this is the theta we want to find out. Okay. We put it like this. Then cos. Second quadrant. Is it cos at second quadrant is negative? Cos is x coordinate, right? Okay. Cos is x coordinate, x coordinate at here, x coordinate is negative, right? So yes. So from here you know why it's negative. So negative. Okay. So after this we use the SOHCAHTOA again. Okay. This is SOHCAHTOA all over H. Opposite. Opposite 12 over 13. Now how to label? Is it I label wrongly? Yes, I label wrongly. Cos SOHCAHTOA A over H. A over H. A 12. H is 13. 12, 13. Okay, 12, 13. Then what is the value for this one? What is the value for this value? Y. Let's say Y or sin theta. Y equal to 13 square minus 12 square. Or if you can straightforward get the answer, you know the value is 5. Okay, so value is Y. 13, 12, 5. Okay. So you have the cos, you find the sin now. And find the tangent now. You find the sine and tangent. Yeah, sine is all H. All 5 over 13. Then tangent is 5 over 12. Okay. You find sine, cos, tangent first. Then A, tangent 5 over 12. Straightforward. Get the answer already. Okay. Is it the answer for you? I forgot. This is first or second quadrant. This is second quadrant, So sine is positive. Sine is positive, Sine is positive. But tangent here, you see, cos is negative 12 over 13. Negative, positive. So tangent is negative. Sorry for the mistake. Tangent must be negative. Tangent must be negative. So because sin cos. So your answer, tangent is 5 over 12. Okay, watch out. Then B, second theta. Second, 1 over cos theta. I will look at the cos, the ballet. So it's negative, we also follow it negative. Okay, negative 13 over 12. Then we go to C, cosec. Cosec 1 over sine theta. Sine here, the ballet, 13 over 5. Okay? Okay, then go to example 3. Okay, we have a few more examples today, so we have to extend 30 minutes today, okay? Okay, we'll look at the example 3. Express the value of each of the following trigonometry in its corresponding acute angle and find the value by using a calculator. Student common mistake is tengok calculator terus tekan. If you see tengok calculator terus tekan, if you press your calculator and get the answer, then you're wrong already lah. Because you see the first condition. Express the value in its corresponding acute angle first. Also, you cannot simply press calculator for tangent 217. So you need to change it into the acute angle first. Okay, so how are we going to change into the acute angle? So at first we change the cot into tan first, tangent first. Cot is the reciprocal of tangent. So 1 over tangent 217 degree. So tangent 217. This one you need to draw. Positive, starting from 0. 217, 1, 2, 3, third quadrant. Third quadrant. If you cannot remember, you just label 0, 92, 91, 80, 270, 360. So you know it's third quadrant, 27. Okay, so we want to know the basic angle. Which one is the basic angle? This is the basic angle. Okay, what is this? This is 217 minus 180. Okay, bigger minus smaller. So it's 37 degree. So here is 37 degree. So then we continue. Equal to, so now you know it's the third. So now it's 1 over tangent 217 minus 180 degree. So we get 1 over tangent 37 degree. 37 degree, okay. Now watch out. Is positive or negative? You need to see whether the tangent is positive or negative. You need to look at the sin and cos. We look at the sin and cos, but we don't need to find the value for sin and cos. But from here, you know, you still the same, you do the same. So cos here is positive or negative? Cos here is negative. Cos here is negative. Then sin here is, sine here is, but what is also negative, right? Negative. So what is your value for your tangent? Positive. Yes, positive. Because negative, so your tangent will be positive. Okay? Just remember this. So now you get your tangent is positive for third quadrant. Or another way is, you ingat mati-mati lah. All students take calculus. This is third quadrant. Take calculus, tangent positive. So here, tangent positive. Okay? Okay, also can. So you get, you use your calculator to press 1 over tangent 37 degree, 1.327. Okay? Then now we go to B. This is A. Then now we go to B. Sine negative 123 degree. Okay, we have to draw. We just draw, negative 123. Negative 123 here. Negative 123 degree. So somewhere here. Then your reference angle, your basic angle is, your value here is 180 minus 123. So it's 57 degree. Yes, 57 degree. So sin equal to sin 180 minus 123 equal to sin 57. Okay, sin here is positive or negative? See, left hand side, downward, y coordinate. We look at sin, we look at y coordinate. So it's negative 57. Negative 57. Then press your calculator. Sin sine 57. So your answer will be negative 0.387. Okay. Okay. Then now we go to C. C. Tangent. Negative 324. And this one also the negative angle. We just draw. Must draw first. Negative 324. Okay, negative 324. So from your drawing, you know what is the angle you want. Yeah, very clever. Can straightforward write it down. So it's 360 minus 324. So the value here is 56. Semakin pandai sudah. Alright, good. So you get your tangent 360 minus 324. So you get tangent 56. Sorry, tangent 56. Then after this, we have to know is positive or negative. Okay, first quadrant. First quadrant, no need to see. But of course, is positive. 36. 56. I think the answer is 36. 360 minus 324. The answer is 36 degree, right? Tangent 36 degree. Okay, tangent 36 degree is positive, Then you press your calculator 0.7265. Okay, then B. Second 172 degree. Okay, second change to 1 over cos first, 1 over cos 172 degree. Then you draw your 172. It's positive, positive angle, so here. So 172 degree. So from here, find the reference angle. So reference angle, 8 degree. 180 minus 172, so equal to 8 degree. So equal to 1 over cos 8 degree. But this here, look at here. Here is negative or positive. Cos is x coordinate. X coordinate is negative. Negative. 1 over negative cos, so negative 1.0098. Okay. Next example. Example 4. Search if of each of the following trigonometric equations for the angle in between 0 to 360 degree. This one important part. So look at A. Tangent theta equal to negative 2. Okay, at first you see this negative. So in negative, we have to determine the quadrant. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, which one tangent will be negative? Mana satu? All student take calculus. We want the tangent negative. So here and here, right? Tangent negative, because here all positive, tangent positive. So this one positive, this one positive. So second and fourth are not first and fourth. Second and fourth. We want the negative tangent value. Okay, Lester? Second and fourth, okay? So it won't be at the first and the third quadrant, it will be at the second and fourth quadrant, Okay, second and fourth quadrant. So we have to find out the basic angles, or we call the reference angle. Basic angle. What is the basic angle? Press your calculator, shift tangent 2. Press your calculator, shift tangent 2. We press our calculator, shift tangent 2. 63.43. 63.43 degree. Okay, we have the basic angle ready, so we know our angle is second. Second, if you cannot remember, you do like this. You do a bar like this. Second, this one is 180 minus 63.43. This is the second quadrant one. Okay, then another one, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is 360 minus 63.43 degree. Okay, so your angles, the angles is 116.57 degree and 296.57 degree. Okay? Okay, then we'll practice one more. B. Sine theta. Sine theta equal to 0.4038. Okay? This one is positive. Positive, So we want positive. Then of course the first quadrant positive. Then what is the next quadrant? All sine take calculus. Or if you can remember the y coordinate, you know first and second. Then first and second quadrant. So we find out the basic angle. Okay, calculator, press shift sign 0.4038. Then you will get the value is 23.82 degree. Sorry, 22.82 degree. 23.82 degree. So your angle will locate in first and second quadrant. First quadrant, no need to change. 23.82. Second quadrant, 180 minus 23.82. Okay, so it's 23.82 degree, and another one is 156.82 degree. Okay, C. C, second equal to negative 1.45. So change first. Second, because We have to change all the value into cosine or tangent first. Second cannot. Change to cos. Reciprocal 1 over cos. Second theta. 1 over cos theta equal to minus 1.45. Okay, and this form you have to move lah. So your cos theta equal to what value? 1 over negative 1.45, 1 over negative 1.45. So your cos theta equal to negative 0.6x97. 6x97, 6x97. Then after this, you get your basic angle. Basic angle, no need to press negative. You just press shift cos 0.6x97. Make sure your basic angle is in acute angle. You don't press the negative. Negative is only for you to determine where does the angle locate in which quadrant. Okay. So when you press calculator, you don't press negative. You shift cos 0.6897. So your basic angle is 46.39 degree. Okay, you get your basic angle 46.39 degree. Then I forgot to show you here. So this one is which quadrant? Cos is which quadrant? Cos is S coordinate, right? S coordinate negative. Then of course this quadrant lah. Cos is S coordinate. Here, 2 negative. Or all student take calculus. Student take is negative. Okay, so it's second and third quadrant. So your theta is second and the third quadrant. Second quadrant is 180 minus 46.39. Then third quadrant is 180 plus 46.39. Okay, so your angle is 123.61 degree, 226.39 degree. Okay, then your D now. Sine 2 sine x cos x minus sine x equal to 0. Okay, look at this question. We have to change it into the simple form first. Then how to simplify it? You see, are these the same, right? They are the same. It means that we can factorize them. Okay, we factorize the sine x out. So we get 2 cos x minus 1. Okay, so from here we will have 2 factorize. We factorize out already. We can say that sine x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So from here, cos x equal to 1 over 2 or equal to 0.5. Okay, sine x cos x. Okay, so for sine x, you shift x. What is the basic angle? The basic angle for shift sin 0. The basic angle is shift sine 0. So get 0 degree. Then another one, shift cos 0.5. So get 60 degree. So this one basic angle 60 degree. Okay. So for sine here, basic angle is 0. So it means that is it the value for s here has only 0? There's only 0 degree? No, because you have to remember the we have to draw this one. I teach you first. Do you know the graph for the sine graph? For the sine graph, it will be in this form. It will be in this form. So 0, 360, 180. So actually, it will have 3 points of 0 here. x is 0, sine x is y, y 0 here. So the angle for x here will be 0, 180, and 360. This one is the combination for the graph. This is the special case. Then for this one, the basic angle for the cos is 60. Positive, positive cos. Cos is x coordinate. These two parts. So it will have a positive. Sorry, wrong. Positive. Cos positive. First and last. First and fourth quadrant. First and fourth quadrant. So the angle here will be first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So it's 60 degree. Fourth quadrant 60 minus 60. So S equal to 60 and 300 degree. But this is not the final. The final is you have to combine these two, make it into one. So your conclusion is from the small ascending order, 0, 60, 180, 300, and 360. So your solution will be 5. Okay. So now we go to next example, example 5. Okay, solve each of the following trigonometry. Okay, this question, what is the difference between example 5 with example 4? Okay, you see the pattern. What is the difference between example 3 and 4? It's the value here. Just now we only have theta and x only. But now inside here it got 1 over 2x, 2s or 3x. So it means what? If here 2s, it means that in one round, it will move for 2 circles. So if 3x, it means that in, okay, sekarang sini this one. In this one, it will move for 2 rounds. Okay, 2 circles, 2x. Therefore, 3x, it will move for 1, 2, 3 rounds. Excuse me. Sorry, and this one half, it means that it moved for half. It moved for half. From the value 0 to 360. From the value 0 to 360. From the value 0 to 360. Okay, so now we practice. A sine 1 over 2x equal to 0.1796. Okay, we do the same thing first. Okay, we find out the basic angle for this one first. What is the basic angle? The basic angle is shift sine 0.1796. Okay, so you get is 10.35 degree. Okay, 10.35 degree. Then we see where does it work at. Sine positive. Sine positive. So first and second quadrant, sine positive. First and second quadrant. So your value, this one, So from here, you will know your 1 over 2x equal to 1 over 2s equal to first and second quadrant. First quadrant, 10.35 degree. Second quadrant, 180 minus 10.35. Second quadrant is 180 minus 10.35 degree. So you get 1 over 2s equal to 10.35 and 169.65. Okay, the difference now is sekarang buat apa? See this one. So 1 over half. half quadrant only. So it will have in the first and second quadrant only, right? First and second quadrant only, correct? So your S will be, S is what? So you have to multiply by 2. 10.35 multiplied by 2, 20.7. Then 169.65 multiplied to 339.3 degree. Okay, no problem for the A. So now we go to B. B, student will have the mistake already lah. Selalu lupa apa? Tangent 2x equal to 1.43. Okay, the same thing. The first step, we determine which quadrant. Tangent positive. Okay, tangent positive. First and third. Okay. Tangent positive. Is this first and third? Yeah, first and third. All students take cosine. Calculus. So first and third lah. So first and third So we find the basic angle. Basic angle shift tangent to x 55.03 degree. 55.03 degree. So you will have 2x equal to 55.03 degree. First quadrant, then third quadrant. Third quadrant is 180 plus 55.03 degree. So 2s equal to 55.03 degree and 235.03 degree. Is it correct? Okay, everyone listen. Here have a mistake. What is the mistake here? Student always forgot here. Everyone pay attention. Here mean 2 circle. 2x mean 2 circle. 1 time, 2 time. So 1 second, 1 and third. And which quadrant again? Tambah lagi. Dia satu round lagi. Second more. Then you need to add up here. You need to add up second circle. Second circle here is 360 plus the first one, 55.03 degree. Okay. Then equal to this one round again. So 360 plus the third quadrant again. Sebab dia tambah satu bulatan. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It will have 4 degree. 4 different degrees. Okay, 360 plus here, 235.03 degree. Okay. So your answer will be 415.03 degree and 595.03 degree. So x divided by 2. So you get answer 27.515, 117.515, 415.03, and 595.03. Oh no, sorry, wrong. 117. Then the third one is 207.52 degree and the last one is 297.52 degree. Okay. Stay tuned. Still got few questions to go, Then C. Cos 3x equal to negative sine 30 degree. Okay, look at this question. Okay, from here, sine 30, we can change into the degree first. So use your calculator to press sine 30, you will get cos 3x equal to negative 0.5. Okay, so negative 0.5, label first, negative cos. Second and third quadrant, second and third quadrant. Then you see this 3x. 3x, it means that you have to move for 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. So this one you have to add up 360 and add up 720, add up 360, add up 720. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will have 6 angles later. Huh? Later you will have 6 angles. Huh? So we find the basic angle first. Basic angle, shift cos 30 degree and shift cos 0.5. So you get 60 degree. Okay, so you have 60 degrees. So your 3x is equal to, okay, second quadrant, 180 minus 30. Then fourth quadrant, second quadrant, 180 minus 30. Third quadrant, 180 plus 30. Huh? So it will be 150 and 210. 150 and 210. Huh? But now we need to add up 3 circles. 3 circles, 150 plus 60, 210 plus 360. Then another one, 150 plus one round again, 720, then 210 plus 720. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you add up all, so you get the value 480. Dua kali bulatan. 600, 540, and 960. Then last step, you only divide by 3 lah. So x equal to 40, 80, 160, 200, 280, and 320. So you see your answer. You answer all in the range 0 to 630. Huh? Okay, it means that it has 3 circles. So now we go to the example 6. Okay, after this example, we discuss few questions in the textbook and we will end up our lesson today. Sorry for the late today. Okay, how to solve the question? Here, what is the difference for this with the just now? Actually, no much difference. We try one by one. We try A now. Okay, we just use this one. We determine in which quadrant first. Positive. Positive sign. First and second. First and second, but see how many circles. 2x plus 15 degrees. This one the same. 2x means 1, 2. 2 circle. 2 circle, it means that 1, 2 multiply 2, so you will have 4 angles. You will have 4 angles later. Okay, so you find out the basic angle, the same thing, find the basic angle, shift sine 0.75, the basic angle 48.6 degree. Okay, so 2x plus 15 degree equal to 48.6, first quadrant. Second quadrant, 180 minus 48.6 degree. Just 180 after minus is 131.4. 131.4 degree. And after this, here you have to another one, 360 plus 48.6, and another one, 360 plus 131.4. So get your answer is, is it I do something wrong? Oh yeah, correct. So you get 408.6 degree and another one 491.4 degree. So after this, you have to minus 48.6 minus 15 divide by 2. Then everyone minus 15 divide by 2. So finally, you get your value for x is 16.8 degree, 58.2 degree, 196.8 degree, and 238.2 degree. Okay, then B. 3 over sine theta minus 1 over cosec theta equal to 2. So you see cosec, sec or tangent, straightforward, we change to the sine cos tangent first. Okay, so 3 over sine theta minus 1 over cosec 1 over sine theta. So move, go up again. 3 over sine theta minus